Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix FaceTime camera lagging issues on iPhone. If your FaceTime video becomes blurry, freezes during calls, lags while screen sharing, overheats your iPhone, or becomes choppy during group FaceTime calls, this video will help you fix it. Right now, I'm using my iPhone 17 Pro Max, but these solutions also work on most recent iPhones. Now let's start. One of the biggest problems with FaceTime lag is unstable internet. Sometimes the video freezes, audio cuts out, or the camera becomes blurry because the Wi-Fi connection is weak. So first, I'm checking my internet connection. If I'm connected to Wi-Fi, I try switching to cellular data. And if I'm using cellular data, I try connecting to a stable Wi-Fi network. A lot of users on Reddit mention that FaceTime group calls become laggy mainly on crowded or slow Wi-Fi networks. Especially during screen sharing, FaceTime needs much faster internet speed. So switching networks can instantly improve call quality. Now another major issue is overheating. If your iPhone becomes hot during FaceTime, performance automatically slows down. This causes camera lag, delayed video, stuttering animations, and poor screen sharing quality. This usually happens during long FaceTime calls, group calls, or while charging the phone. So if my iPhone feels hot, I immediately remove it from the charger, especially wireless chargers. Wireless charging creates extra heat during FaceTime video calls. Now I place the iPhone somewhere cool for a few minutes. I also reduce screen brightness because high brightness increases heat. And if you're using a thick case, try removing it during long FaceTime calls. Now let's fix background activity. Many times FaceTime becomes laggy because other apps are running in the background. Apps updating, syncing photos, uploading videos, or downloading files can slow down the device and internet speed. So I'm swiping up and force closing unnecessary apps. I also close FaceTime completely. Then I reopen FaceTime again. This refreshes the app and clears temporary glitches. Another common problem is low storage space. If your iPhone storage is almost full, system performance becomes slower. This can affect FaceTime video processing and camera quality. So I'm opening Settings. Then I go to General. Now I tap iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough free storage available. If storage is very low, delete unnecessary videos, screenshots, or apps. Now let's restart the iPhone. This is one of the easiest fixes for FaceTime lagging and freezing issues. I press volume up, then volume down. Now I press and hold the side button, and I keep holding until the Apple logo appears. After restart, FaceTime usually runs much smoother. Now another important solution is resetting network settings. If FaceTime still freezes, buffers, or disconnects during calls, network settings may be corrupted. So I open Settings, then General. Now I tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. This removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, but it fixes many FaceTime connectivity problems. Now let's talk about group FaceTime lag. A lot of users experience camera freezing during group calls because multiple video streams require more processing power and internet speed. So during group FaceTime calls, avoid screen recording, avoid gaming in the background, close heavy apps like editing apps or large downloads, and try to keep fewer apps running. This helps the iPhone focus fully on FaceTime. Now for FaceTime screen sharing lag. Screen sharing uses extra CPU power and internet bandwidth. If the shared screen becomes blurry or delayed, reduce the number of active apps. Also, avoid low power mode during FaceTime screen share because it limits performance. To check this, I open Settings, then Battery, and make sure low power mode is turned off. Now another important fix is updating iOS. Software bugs can cause FaceTime camera lagging and freezing. So I open Settings, then General. Now Software Update, and I install the latest iOS version if available. Apple regularly fixes FaceTime bugs and performance issues through software updates. Also make sure the camera lens is clean. Sometimes blurry FaceTime video is simply caused by fingerprints or dust on the front camera. So I gently clean the front camera using a microfiber cloth. If FaceTime still lags badly after all these steps, test another FaceTime app call using a different Wi-Fi network. If the issue only happens on one network, then the internet connection is the actual problem. But if it happens everywhere, then it may be a deeper iOS issue or hardware problem. Alright guys, that's it. If this video helped you fix FaceTime camera lagging on your iPhone, comment "fixed" below. And if you still have issues like overheating, blurry video, or freezing during screen share, tell me in the comments and I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching.